what I'm doing here today is I'm putting this little shower in a cabin. Okay, now, what happens with a lot of these showers is, you know, they're soft underfoot here, you know, even though they're braced, you know, they come sitting on little feet and stuff like that. A lot of people think they can just install them like that without any support under the floor. But I've got a little trick here I'll show you that I use for showers and tubs. And it involves concrete and a piece of plastic, and it'll make that floor as solid as a rock for the life of the fixture. And just let me show you how I put that drain in here. Okay, so I got a smear of that Sikaflex 291 down there and on what'll be the top side of the gasket. I'll put the gasket on there like that. We're going to drop that down through the hole, and we're going to wipe off any of this excess afterwards. We're going to line this up, make sure the writing is straight. Okay, now we're going to just wipe that off for now, and then we're going to go on the other side and we're going to put this on the back. Okay, I got the drain in, I Sikaflexed around it, wiped it off. And on the other side, it's sealed very well, nice and snug. Okay, there's the hole in the floor. We've already dry fit the shower in it. I always like to leave a little extra room with the hole so that you can get at the flange should you ever need to change it. Okay, what I've done here is I've just cut a piece of 6mm poly. I left it a little long. I want to make sure that I've got enough to cover the concrete so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the shower. Okay, so I'm just going to mix up a bit of concrete, and we can see here how much we need. It's, you know, it's not a lot. It's the thickness of from the front of the where this sits on the floor to here, you know, and to support this area in around here. So probably, you know, inch and a quarter thick, you know. So I'm just going to use 1 bag of ready mix. I think that'll be plenty for this application. You know, I'm going to try and concentrate it, you know, in this area where it's going to be the most weight when you stand on it. There. Okay. Okay. So, okay. Let's see. That's good. Okay, everything's good. All right. I'm gonna tip the shower back up in there. Okay. Goes. The boots off. All right. Sock feet. All right, I'm gonna walk around in here. I can feel how solid it is already under that floor. It's amazing. Yeah, you don't want any give in the floor of these fiberglass tubs and showers because they'll crack eventually, you know. A big person jumps in there, you know. People do all sorts of silly things. That way, that's a bit of insurance under there. Good. Now I'm going to get some screws in the perimeter here, and we'll clean up that mess. And there it is, nice and solid. And you can see down here, see the plastic is on top of the concrete, so if you ever want to take the shower out, the shower will just pull right up and out. All rock solid, you know, and it'll be like that for the life of the shower, so it's worth doing. Anyway, that's how that's done. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you again here soon on Everyday Projects. Bye for now.